Hey, just wanted to show you how to bump fire a Smith & Wesson AR-15. Not very good at these YouTube videos, kind of embarrassing. You want to put your ears on?
Right.
Kind of loud. There you go. Alright. Let's see here.
You want to explain to them what you're doing?
Just bump firing. It's using, basically keeping the buttstock about that far away from your shoulder and using this hand right here to pull it forward. Let me shoot it from this angle so you can see it better. But you're using this hand to keep your forward motion going. You just keep it off your shoulder, just far enough that you can use this. Keep your hand nice and tight and stiff, and then in one spot. And then you just use your front hand to pull the trigger forward, and then the recoil will hit it again for you. Okay? Can you see me in the whole screen?
Yes.
Yep. That's how you bump fire an AR rifle.